What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. So today, man, we kind of laid back today, but I'm giving y'all the update on everything. I meant to bring the parts down here because I got some rods in, man. H-beam forged H-beam rods. I ain't saying for what car yet, cause I told y'all it's a few in the fleet that about to get a remix. It's a few remix. Engine wise and externally, but this video is about Donk game over here. So y'all see the title, Donk game is staying. Donk game staying, man, because I gave it 30 days, man. I do everything by God and the Holy Spirit now, for real. I really do. I said if it's to be, then it'll be. So I was giving it 30 days for the spots to fill, but they didn't. So I like, man, you know what? I'm just gonna keep it. I'm just gonna have to have two donks, man, at the end of the day. The only reason I was trying to get rid of Donk game because I was like, man, I bought it because it was a good number to me. You know, it's a good number. It's a solid car. The car is amazing shape. But y'all know I want a vert. I want a vert 73. So when it fall right, man, and it's God's will for me to have a vert, man, what in the world? Oh boy, it went after me. Man, what kind of yellow jacket it these, man? These different yellow jackets, it cool and they still be out. Boy, these yellow jacket are mutated. But if it God will, man, and want to follow my pocket, and I get it. But I'm just gonna have two of them. So that's what we talking about. We finna go over there with Donk game. I'm gonna tell y'all the true plan, what we about to do. This thing here gonna roll fast, cause I've been chilling. This year. I've been handling other business, getting stuff at the house straight. Y'all see it on the top there and all that gone. But yeah, man, we finna get it popping, y'all. Got update y'all on R&B and stuff. Still ain't get a chance to go to track cause it rained, but y'all just stay tuned, man. We finna get over here to Donk game. All right. Checking in, y'all. Old Donk game, man. I got it put up. I'm about to it getting dark, man. I was gonna drive it. Well, switch it up, and oh God, I was gonna move it, cause I'm gonna tell y'all, man. I gotta show y'all train smoke, man. I gotta show y'all train. Let me go ahead and do that first. Let me show y'all train smoke. Show y'all what happened, y'all. Oh no. I'm gonna show y'all what happened, man. Let me see. Gotta show y'all. We had a little mishap. Y'all like, Jay, that ain't good. Nah, it ain't. But you know, still happened, man. Let me show y'all this right quick. Let me show y'all. Then we're gonna get over here to Donk game. So let's see. I'm like, Jay, what am I looking at? Well, look, let me see. Let's see, can y'all see? Yeah, y'all see it. Then it's a dent right here. It's a dent right there. Yeah, y'all see it. You can see it right there. Right here. So, how did it happen, Jay? So, man, my father-in-law was backing out. I had the car parked behind the white Monte Carlo, and he didn't see it, man. He He just skimmed the side of it a little bit. But you know, I said it's all good, man. Stuff happens. I already talked to J Hall, of course. So the good thing about it is it's just the door. Like, it literally all it got is the door, right in the door. So it's a simple, super simple fit, in and out. Truly in and out, man. So I already got with J Hall, like I said, man. We'll be getting it straightened up, and we're gonna get on some other stuff too. So, you know, man, stuff happen, man. It's just part of it. Just blessed to be in a position to be able to take care of stuff like that. Like, it ain't no pressure on it. So we're gonna get fit. I wasn't gonna show it, honestly. I was just gonna get it fit. When nobody gonna even know it happened. But seeing that don't have everybody don't be looking at the vlog channel, so I'm gonna show y'all my people. Y'all been with me. Y'all my people. So I put a lot of stuff on Instagram and a lot of stuff on Facebook and stuff. You know, people follow them pages now, but I don't be putting everything like I do right here. You know what I'm saying? I don't be putting everything. So they don't follow over here. They miss out on a lot of stuff. But yeah, we gonna go ahead and get Donk game, man. We're gonna put in the game, y'all. So we going to Summit in a couple of weeks. Not this week. I gotta hit the track this week. The plan is to take R&B and Friday to Middle Georgia, and then Saturday we're gonna go back to Middle Georgia, support my bro Tarnell. But man, Donk game, we about to get this thing rolling, man. We about to get it rolling. So what I'm gonna do, I will be getting this car painted, but it's gonna be the fourth in line to get painted. So wifey car finna get painted. Another one of the fleet getting painted. I ain't saying which one. It's gonna be a surprise. Y'all know about wifey car, but another one of the fleet finna get painted. It's just gonna be a surprise. Then I'm gonna get another one of the fleet. And then Donk game. So what we gonna do with this thing to do it, cause I think it'll be a nice little bill. What we gonna do with Donk game? We already got it set up for rim. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy some rim for it first and foremost. I'm gonna get some 60. I'm gonna get some 60 for this car. I'm gonna go ahead and get the ones I originally was gonna get and put them on this car. So we're gonna buy some 60. But before that, we're going to Summit in a couple of weeks. We're going to Summit, and we finna get some parts for this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a small block 355. Before I do the big block, I'm gonna have the big block working. Just like I did with Meats, I had the big block on the way. Even after the first big block, then nobody know nothing. But I'm gonna have the big block working. So since I'm gonna be having 2 Donks now, cause I tried to do the contest, get rid of it, cause I didn't want to have 2. But whenever time presents itself, I'm gonna get a vert, and I'm gonna end up with 2 Donks. So since I'm gonna have 2 Donks, this one right here, Donk game, since it's a hard top and it's lighter. It's lighter than these are lighter than the vert. We're gonna put a monster in here, a monster big block. So the other one, I'm gonna do a big block too. But the vert, when I get a vert, I'm gonna do a big block, but it's gonna be toned down. More, just toned down. This one, we're gonna put a monster in it. All motor. I ain't gonna put no power add on this car. We're gonna keep this one naturally aspirated. All motor, big block. It's gonna be true street, of course. But before that, we're gonna get a small block, a 355 cubic inches, and we're gonna build it, y'all. Cause I'm gonna do a series to show what I do with a small cubic inch combination, which we got one now with R&B. I'm finna remix R&B too, but we're gonna go ahead and get the cylinder heads. I got me a build sheet spec'd out for it. Let's crank it up, y'all. And we're gonna see. We're gonna put. And why 355, Jay? Because this car is a huge car, right? So take a big car and one of the smallest engines. that people don't use anymore. 350 small block. We're gonna just punch it out 30, 355. See, engine with that small, with pistons that small, it's harder for it to make torque, harder for it to make horsepower. But we're gonna see how one of the smaller engines, not even 400 cubic inches, not even a stroker, 3.48 stroke. See how we can get it to move the big heavy Donk. Yeah, we're gonna put a power add on it called it's gonna need assistance. So we're gonna do nitrous on it. So keep it simple. 355 small block. Forwards, the internals. I'm gonna do the whole 9. And we're gonna put it in here. It's gonna be a temporary motor for Donk gang. We're gonna take it to the track, get a time. We're gonna see what kind of time it run on motor, and we're gonna spray it, and we're gonna see what we end up doing with the with the build sheet, with the spec, man. We're gonna run Donk gang 355, finna do the rear end, all that stuff. So yeah, we finna get to it. So when we go to Summit, either I'm gonna buy all the rear end stuff, and I'm gonna buy some of the engine stuff, or either I'm just gonna get straight into stuff. But we getting some. We finna get started with it. So take this bag up. Come on, Donk gang. So we finna do a whole build. It cold. We're gonna change the exhaust, everything. Y'all know how I do. Look, every time, man, we get ready to try to get rid of something or sell it, and it don't move. Y'all know how I come back. Y'all know how I come back, man. Y'all see how Dolo earned his spot. I tried to sell Dolo roller. Then nobody want to buy it. They won't spend the money, so I'll put it in the game. And now I'm finna paint and all that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do a 355 in the Donk, man. I'm gonna watch out. We're gonna show y'all how this thing will move. 355 in a Donk. I'm like, what? Yeah. Hard to make power out on, but we're gonna do it cause it's interesting. A lot of y'all probably got 350s laying around, man, so it'd be something fun to do. And then you could take it and see what they don't do, what Donk gang do. And you stick it in something lighter, whatever Donk gang run, you stick it in something lighter, you gonna go faster, on top. Yeah, look, it purring now. It purring now. I had been talking about it, man. Wife was right on this one, so wife was like, man, why don't you keep it? Why you don't keep it and do the 355 bill? That was her preference anyway, and I said, I guess, well, ain't no guess at this point. I know it was God's will for me to keep the car. I said, whatever his will, what I'm gonna do. And if it didn't feel in 30 days, I knew it went. So I'm like, man, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And he might have some more promising for me, the reason he got me to keep. So, you know, that's what we gonna do. Cause good now, man. Put no LEDs on so y'all can see. Wait, y'all see how this joke gonna sound at 355, but this thing is like, hey, we gonna put, I'm gonna put 1 chambers on it. I'm gonna take it back to old days, man. I'm putting 1 chambers on the Donk. 1 chambers on the Donk. LEDs on. Thing here gonna be loud. 355 with the 1 chamber. Wow. hey, don't come through. Man, I gotta fit that, man. I got to fit that. Look, man. Just thought about it. That and it's just loose, man. It's a wire. Let's fit that. I'm gonna tighten all that up. If people see this, they're gonna be like, oh, I want it. I'm gonna say, no, you don't. You don't want it now. I say, you don't want it now. Not even when I put the 355 in it. I think it's gonna shock people. How that 355 gonna move. Yeah, boy, he running good now. I see. I think gonna shock people. We're attacking here. The whole 9. I have to have attack. Why the hell on? Why the heat works so good in here? The heat burn you up out of here, boy. Look. So y'all. Boy, that heat feel good in here, boy. Woo! I don't know if y'all can hear it in the camera. Hear the wind blowing. Yeah, man. We finna do it. Oh, let's see. See my windshield wiper. We finna do it, y'all. Yeah. So that's what it gonna be. So look, quick little simple video. I had to give y'all the news. Keep y'all up to date on everything. Donk game. Ain't going nowhere. I already done canceled it. Isn't it? So we finna put in the game, man. 355, small block. So we finna get a series going. I got all my little house stuff out the way. I've been doing car. I had said, man, I had been going hard with the car for the last 4 years. Y'all know we've been buying and building stuff. So I said, I'm gonna go easy this year. Next year gonna be, boy, I don't know how many. I might be at 2, 3 of them in a year, man. I ain't no telling, man. Cause y'all know we one short. I ain't never replaced one of the car. Y'all know we got rid of brown coat and grandma and them, and I got train smoke, but I ain't replaced one of them. So we gonna get it pop. And no telling what's gonna pop up. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.